Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube video series. I'm sure you're enjoying my video talk series and learning from the insights and latest trends that I speak on from the world of digital marketing in 2020. Before I start today's session, I would like to tell you about my ebook, Top 10 Business Tips for Business Owners During the Times of Coronavirus. Read my ebook to learn the secrets to stay business resilient during these challenging times and scale your business. I provided the link down below. Do download your free ebook and have a read. It's an eye-opening guide that advises how digital marketers as well as business owners can scale their business in these challenging times. Today, I will talk about the HubSpot Content Management System and compare some features of HubSpot CMS with that of WordPress. In the end, I will provide my recommendations on why you should adopt HubSpot CMS as your new CMS hub. Okay, before I start, let me tell you about HubSpot. HubSpot is an American developer and marketer of software products for inbound marketing, sales, and customer services. It was founded by Brian Halligan and Dharmesh Shah in 2006. Its products and services aim to provide tools for customer relationship management, social media marketing, content management, lead generation, web analytics, search engine optimization, live chat, and customer support. Now, coming to the CMS system of HubSpot, it was launched in April 2020 with an objective of offering speed, scalability, and security for website developers. Unlike conventional content management systems, which are harder to use over time, the CMS Hub grows in line with business development and takes the pressure out of the software management, enabling users to concentrate on building amazing websites for the best customer experience. The CMS Hub consists of two tiers, the enterprise and professionals, allowing businesses as also individuals to select a CMS that better fits their own needs. Now, I have analyzed the HubSpot CMS system. I think the differentiator is that the HubSpot CMS Center provides an entirely different experience. As part of HubSpot's all-in-one linked network, it is an interactive, easy to use, and highly efficient content management framework that helps various partners from IT managers to creators to advertisers to collaborate with each other and build anything from small content changes to massive website improvements within a very short span of time. Flexible website themes allows developers to deliver flexible websites that can be deployed within a very short span of time. For professionals, they can maintain their websites as they grow without having to worry about their CMS speed, safety, or reliability. As a software as a service-based CMS with a globally distributed CDN, 24/7 vulnerability detection, and built-in web application firewall, the HubSpot CMS takes the pressure out of maintenance and encourages customers to invest less time focused on their applications and more times optimizing their services for the best customer service. For enterprises, what I find is that they can maintain rules and regulations as they scale in the industry. Users can monitor who has links to different websites, files, and records, utilizing behavior monitoring, user partitioning, and authorization capabilities. Enterprises can create strong custom web app experiences that are enjoyably simple to handle. With the CMS Enterprise, users can build customer data-fueled membership sites in their own domains. Now, before I proceed further, I would like to tell you again about my ebook, Top 10 Business Tips for Business Owners During the Times of Coronavirus. Reading my free ebook to learn the secrets to stay resilient during these challenging times and scale your business. Now, let me compare some features of HubSpot CMS with that of a WordPress CMS. First, ease of use. HubSpot is the clear winner. It's simply easy to use and what you're looking for on a website that you can get up and running very fast. And with all the built-in marketing tools you need to promote your business, HubSpot's got you covered. WordPress, on the other hand, required several external plugins to do the same job. Secondly, SEO or search engine optimization. Both WordPress and HubSpot offer a host of SEO tools that help you to optimize your content and analyze your results. These SEO tools come standard within HubSpot, while in WordPress you must purchase the plugins or download for free and add them to your site. Yoast SEO and other similar plugins of WordPress are available for free of cost. So both WordPress and HubSpot do well in the SEO game. Thirdly, security. HubSpot COS is built on a closed source platform, so only HubSpot developers can have access to the code. This means that there isn't same community of support and self-verification of the code is not possible. That being said, there is the argument that closed source is more secure because of its limited accessibility, because it can be great to give open access to an entire community of developers that can work on improving solutions and tools. This also means that those with malintent have no access. The bottom line is that neither one nor the other is definitely more secure than the other. But unlike closed source, open source can be verified and refined over time. So WordPress may have a slight edge over HubSpot in this area, but HubSpot is equally good. Fourthly, lead conversions. To do this on a WordPress hosted site, you have to install a plugin such as Gravity Forms, JotForm, or Ninja Forms. But just because these features aren't built doesn't make them less effective. On HubSpot, this functionality is built in, so everything you'll need to successfully attract and convert visitors on your website will be included in your HubSpot COS. A cool conversion tool which HubSpot recently launched is its Smart Content. Smart Content is a personalization tool that allows you to tailor content to target users based on certain predefined characteristics or behaviors, or where they are in the buying cycle. I would say HubSpot is a clear winner in this criteria. Finally, cost. One of the biggest drawbacks of using HubSpot CMS is the enormous price tag that comes with it. WordPress is free. However, you will have to pay for hosting approximately $10 to $150 per month, and your domain name cost will vary greatly. But if you have a business, you likely have a domain name and know how much you would have to pay. If you're going to utilize a theme, costs can vary. For some themes, you will pay a one-time fee. Other themes you will pay yearly, but only access to theme updates. And then there are thousands of themes that are free. Overall, WordPress is significantly cheaper than HubSpot and gives you the freedom to add or remove plugins as you choose to be. Finally, my recommendation is as follows. Choosing the right CMS is an important decision, and that's why professional marketers need to ensure that CMS has a strong foundation across speed, security, and stability. Without this solid foundation, the capabilities becomes less critical. HubSpot CMS is the best platform for marketers as there is no need to know coding or have a technical knowledge to use it. The primary objective of HubSpot to help marketers and business owners is to create content, website, and also promote that business without facing the technical challenges. I would say that if you are a blogger and if your primary objective is just blogging, then go for WordPress. However, if you are an enterprise or a small business owner with a wider business objective than just blogging, then I would advise you to go for HubSpot CMS. HubSpot gives you a full growth platform to plan, create, and measure content and nurture visitors to turn them into profitable customers. That's it for today. I hope you liked today's session. If in case you have any questions, do leave a comment below. And also do not forget to download my free ebook. I provided the link down below so you can download and have a read. Bye for now.